Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Guide official YouTube channel, and today we will talk about Koti network. As you can see, we have a lot of news coming for Koti, and we will talk about also price action too. So before moving forward, let me tell you what this all about. Koti is building lot of things and it have great roadmap coming for 2022. You can see in the particular roadmap we have a lot of Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4 and lot of announcement including these things. You can see Multitag 2.0 launch, coin as a service and treasury upgrades and governance token and DZ launch. Okay, so lot of things are coming for Koti network. So I am seeing great potential for Koti for the 2022. If you don't know about Koti network, you can visit their Twitter handle. Let me talk about price action. So before moving to price action, let me share yesterday trade which I shared with you all guys. You can see we have a lot of profits from FTM which I shared this video here. You can see this video which I'm talking about. After this video, a lot of pump is coming in FTM and people are making profit. Other profits which are making people are here. These are VIP profits which I'm sharing with you all guys. If you want to be VIP member, you simply message me here on the Telegram and I will add you on the VIP. If you want to know what's inside VIP, let me share this. We share minimum 3 trades. Their maximum can be 10 to 15 trades per day, and currently we are running at 60% discount. Okay, so if you are not part of our Telegram, must join Telegram first and then message me here on Telegram. So currently Koti is running at 0.27729. okay, and I shared one trade with you 2-3 days back in which you will see these things. Okay, this is the trade Koti long 0.28. okay, and buying zone was this only 0.2770, and in which we already hit our first target and shift your stop loss at entry. Then we already close your position and we open this position again today at low entry. Okay, which is this one. Other things which I want to show here that we have this parallel channel which is going for Koti. If you see this channel action like this rejection, support, rejection, support. Okay, in the same way you can see here rejection, support. Okay, so these things are going on here. Okay, so this you can say particular channel, you can say parallel channel, or you can say these are trend lines. Okay, so we are getting a lot of rejection and support from these trend lines. So once we break this trend line and resistance area which you can see here, we will see massive potential. We will see this area which is 0.35, which is our big target. 0.33 you can see from here, 0.335, which is big target we can achieve easily. If you talk about EMS, then we already have this 800 EMA resistance here and we are having support of 50 MA as you can see here. Let me zoom it for you guys. So you can see we have 50 MA support here and 800 EMA resistance here. So what I'm looking for, I'm looking for this type of things here. Once you go like this, we will have very big powerful pump, you can say bullish momentum for Koti. Okay, so once this area will be broken, we have a lot of momentum for Koti waiting for, and everything will come into action once Koti break this area and will come forward. Okay, so if you are not in the trade, then you can take entry right now, just right now. Currently at 0.277, you can take entry here. You can put your stop loss over this area which is very far and very safe. Okay, or if you want to put close stop loss, then you can choose this area which is 0.24. so this will be stop loss and this is entry I already showed you. Now let's talk about profit levels. Okay, this is the first profit level which I'm talking about because this area will act as a resistance again, so you have to book your first profit in this area which is 0.29. okay, 0.29 will be the first take profit. Then we will move forward and we will book this profit here at this 0.33 level which I already shared with you on the Telegram, which you can see here. Okay, 0.33, 0.40 and 47. So we are on the way to achieve these targets. You can say 0.40, 0.47. okay, we are all the ways to achieve this target. If you are in a low leverage, then you don't have to worry about these pullbacks. You can easily achieve this type of percentage from this one trade. Okay, so these are all the things I want to share with you so that you can also enjoy and make some good profit from us. And if you want to be part of VIP, you know where to message me. Simply come here and message me here. Okay, let me know any of your doubts so that we can work together as a team and I help you build your portfolio. See you in the next video. For any doubt, you can message me or put in the comments. Take care.